Many people find it hard to lose weight. They often feel trapped in a cycle of restrictive diets and constant disappointment. The struggle is real and affects many aspects of their lives. Diets often feel too strict. They demand cutting out entire food groups or drastically reducing calorie intake, which can be overwhelming and unsustainable. They cut out favorite foods. This makes people unhappy and can lead to feelings of deprivation and frustration. But there's a better way to approach weight loss. You can enjoy your favorite foods and still lose weight. It's about finding a balance and making healthier choices without giving up the foods you love. This video will teach you how. We'll explore practical strategies that allow you to enjoy your meals while working towards your weight loss goals. Hello and welcome to Health Talk with Dr. Corbett and Dr. Willis. We'll look at mindful eating, calorie cycling, intermittent fasting, macro balancing, and exercise. These methods are designed to fit into your lifestyle and make weight management more achievable. These methods help you control your weight effectively. They provide a structured yet flexible approach that can lead to sustainable results. They also let you enjoy all kinds of food. You don't have to miss out on social gatherings or special treats. This makes weight loss easier and more fun. By adopting these strategies, you can achieve your goals without feeling deprived or restricted. Mindful eating is paying attention to your food. It's about being fully present during your meals, noticing the colors, smells, textures, flavors, and even the sounds of your food. When you eat mindfully, you enjoy your food more. You also eat less because you're more in tune with your body's hunger and fullness signals. This can help you make healthier choices and avoid overeating. This is how mindful eating works. It encourages you to slow down and savor each bite, making your meals more satisfying and enjoyable. It helps you slow down. By taking smaller bites and chewing thoroughly, you give your body time to register that it's being fed. It helps you notice when you're full. This awareness can prevent you from eating past the point of fullness, which is a common cause of weight gain. Here are some tips for mindful eating. Start by eating slowly and chewing your food well. This not only aids digestion but also allows you to fully experience the flavors and textures of your meal. Eat slowly and chew your food well. Take the time to appreciate each bite and you'll find that you feel more satisfied with less food. Pay attention to the taste and texture of your food. Notice the different flavors and how they change as you chew. Put your fork down between bites. This simple act can help you slow down and give your body time to signal when it's had enough. Avoid distractions like TV or your phone while eating. Eating in a quiet setting allows you to focus on your meal and your body's signals, making it easier to eat mindfully and enjoy your food. Calorie cycling means changing the number of calories you eat each day. Some days you eat a little more, some days you eat a little less. This can help you lose weight. It can also help you avoid feeling deprived. You can still enjoy special occasions. For example, you could eat fewer calories on weekdays. Then you can have more calories on weekends. This allows for flexibility. You can still enjoy going out with friends. Intermittent fasting is another way to manage your weight. This method has gained popularity due to its simplicity and effectiveness. It involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, which can help regulate your body's metabolism and improve overall health. One popular method is the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. You fast for 16 hours each day and eat all your meals within an 8-hour window. This can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. For example, you could skip breakfast and eat your first meal at noon. This allows you to enjoy lunch and dinner without feeling deprived. Then you would finish your last meal by 8 p.m., giving your body ample time to digest before the fasting period begins. Intermittent fasting can help you lose weight and can also improve your health. It can enhance your body's ability to burn fat and may even boost your energy levels. It's important to talk to your doctor before starting any new eating plan. They can provide personalized advice and ensure that intermittent fasting is a safe and suitable option for you. Additionally, educating yourself about the different methods and benefits of intermittent fasting can help you make informed decisions and stay motivated on your weight management journey. Macronutrients are the nutrients your body needs in large amounts. They include carbohydrates, protein, and fat. Macro balancing involves eating the right amounts of each macronutrient. This helps your body function at its best. Here's an example of a balanced meal. Grilled chicken breast for protein, brown rice for carbohydrates, and steamed broccoli for fiber and vitamins. Exercise is crucial for weight loss. It's also important for overall health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Cardio exercises like running, swimming, and biking are great for burning calories. Strength training exercises like lifting weights help build muscle. Find activities you enjoy and make them a part of your routine. These strategies can help you lose weight. They can also help you keep it off. Remember to enjoy your favorite foods in moderation. Make gradual changes to your diet and exercise habits. Thank you for joining us here on Health Talk with Dr. Corbett and Dr. Willis. We hope you found this information valuable. We would like to hear from you. Please let us know in the comments section your experience and which of these methods you found interesting, and we'll think about giving it a try. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more life-changing health tips.